$86. That's what most people think they spend on subscriptions every month. The real number, studies find, is $219. 6 in 10 of us are paying for one we never use. So a whole industry exists to cancel them for you. And the biggest app in it keeps up to 60% of what it saves you. Let's do the teardown. 3 apps dominate this conversation: YNAB, Rocket Money, and Copilot. Everyone lines them up like they're competing. They're not. They do 3 completely different jobs. One tells you what to do with your money before you spend it. One shows you what you already did with it. And one just cancels the stuff you forgot about. YNAB is a method wearing an app costume. It's called zero-based budgeting. Every dollar you earn gets a job before you spend it. It's the strictest of the 3 and the most expensive: $14.99 a month or $109 a year. There's no free version, just a 34-day trial. The company says new users save $600 in their first month. That's their number, not an independent one. Copilot is the opposite. It doesn't tell you what to do. It just makes your money beautiful to look at. Automatic categories, net worth, investments, all in one dashboard. $95 a year or $13 a month. There's one catch, and it's a big one. There is no Android app. iPhone, Mac, and web only. Rocket Money is the one you've seen in every ad read. It scans your accounts and finds every subscription you forgot about. Here's the part the ads skip. The free tier already does that. Finding your subscriptions costs you nothing. So how does a free app become a $300 million business? 2 ways. The first is bill negotiation. You point it at your internet bill and it calls the company for you. If it wins, Rocket Money charges you between 35% and 60% of your first year of savings. That's from their own help page. If the negotiation fails, you pay nothing. That part is real too. The second way is bigger. In 2021, a mortgage lender bought this app for just over $1.25 billion. Rocket said why, out loud, in the press release. The app keeps you engaged, in their words, between the large financial transactions. Rocket Money has 4.1 million paying subscribers. That's 4 million people inside a mortgage company's ecosystem, checking in every month. So is Rocket Money the bad guy here? Honestly, no. It does exactly what it says it does, and the free tier is genuinely useful. You just deserve to know who owns the app that tells you to spend less. So which one should you use? Wrong question. Ask which job you need done. If you forget subscriptions, Rocket Money's free tier solves that today. Skip the negotiation, unless you'd never make that call yourself. If you want to change how you spend, YNAB is the only one that will force you. If you just want to see it clearly and you own an iPhone, Copilot. Nobody paid for this video. There are no links down there. Subscribe and we'll keep reading the fine print for you.